Okay, so this is the um, dot paper method by 2. For dot paper method by 2. So ito yung title niyan. WNP2-D1.4 dot paper method by 2. Okay, so let's look at the prototype. So, I'm basing this on the original UI kung saan sinishade yung mga circles dito. So, eto, isi-shade lang. Shade the circles below to show 2 by 3. So, dito, i-click lang para mag-color yung circle. Ayan. So, mag-click lang dyan. And then, ayan. So, let's say, let's simulate first the wrong answer. So, for example, andito nag-click si student dito, automatic siya magsisay na try again. So, ayan, try again hanggang sa makuha niya yung correct na 2 by 3. So, shade the circles below to show 2 by 3. So, ayan, let's say 2 by 3. So, correct. Ayan, continue. So, the next one, multiple choice pero by image to. Which of the following figure shows 2 by 5? So, let's say ito, mali. Try again. So, this is the correct one. Continue. Yan. Okay. Multiple choice pa rin. 2 by 4. Continue. Ito, fill in the blanks. So, fill in the blanks. For example, 0. Yan. Lagyan natin ng 0, 0, 0. And then, try again. So, the correct answer would be, lalagay natin ng, for now, 2 lang muna. Yan lang, submit. So, for example, correct yung answer ni student, then continue. Yan, so dito, okay, space bar. And let's say, lagyan natin ng 2 ng correct answer. For example, correct answer yan. Yan, so, if wrong answer and yung try again ang lalabas, bumalik. Pero pag correct yung answer, so continue siya. Ayan. Try again, continue. Ayan. And so yun yung ano natin, dot paper method.